Race. Bigotry begins at home. The biopic on African-American Jesse Owens brings starkly to the fore the bigotry and the business deals that superseded all else at the 1935 Olympics. Jesse Owens grew up accepting that blacks were secondary to Caucasians. But luckily for him, Coach Larry obsessed only with grooming a winner. Shut out everything else, focus on the 10 seconds that are yours alone, instructs Larry. Jesse shuts out shower room taunts and the general jeers of the whites to take the sporting world by storm. He also gets his act straight on the personal front and settles down with girlfriend Ruth. When the American Olympics Committee sends its representative, businessman Avery Brundage, to Berlin, he drives a hard bargain with the stiff, unsmiling Joseph Goebbels. The Nazis will have to put aside their overt racial discrimination if they want America to participate in the Olympics. A deal is struck. On home ground too, Goebbels has to give in to the Führer's favorite filmmaker who makes her demands clear, and the landmark Olympics gets filmed for posterity. Meanwhile, America has its own backyard politics with Coach Larry excluded from the official Olympic team. There is a nice moment when Jesse stands his ground in Berlin and insists that he'll run only if Larry trains him. It's also heartwarming when Jesse is told there are no separate black doms at this Olympics. On the surface, Germany is apparently keeping its part of the deal. There are sweeping shots of the world's largest stadium packed and on its feet when Hitler enters. Jesse Owens is the man of the season as he picks up 3 goals, but prejudices never do go away as the Führer leaves without having to shake hands with that thing. On the other hand, German rival Luz shows a rare sporting spirit and a friendship is born. However, politics and business come to the fore again before the relay starts. The Nazis put their foot down. No Jews. An American businessman, Brundage, compromises his principles, making Jesse run instead of the American Jews to bag his 4th gold. But is it any better back home? At a felicitation for Jesse himself, he and his wife Ruth are not allowed to enter the hotel from the front entrance. In his lifetime, the sports legend was also never officially acknowledged by the White House. Director Stephen Hopkins and his writers sometimes give in to cliches like Jesse telling his coach that he didn't talk about his daughter because he didn't ask. The same is very predictably repeated when the coach talks about his daughter. But main actor Stephen James goes from diffident to cheeky and confident in a pleasant sort of way that makes you connect with Jesse Owens. Jason Sudeikis as Larry combines dignity with empathy, and Jeremy Irons as Wheeler Dealer Brundage is rakishly impressive. For a significant drama of politics, sports, racism and human equations, Race gets a 3.5-star rating.